Hello and very good evening, everyone. The topic for today's lecturate is string of pearls, and it's hello and very good evening, everyone. The topic for today's lecturate is string of pearls, and its counter. So let's get into the topic with a brief introduction. String of pearls is a political ideology or thought of the Chinese government to encircle India by developing the strategic ports. This ideology have been aligned with the aggressive policies of the India. And when I go back in the history, in the year 1951, 1952, we have seen the China adopted the foreign policy of aggression. The aggression started in such a way that it wanted to counter different nations which were nearby and want to capture their territories. It was also said by Mao Zedong. He said that Tibet is a palm and rest five nearby are its finger, which includes Arunachal Pradesh, then Ladakh, then they have Sikkim, then Bhutan and Nepal. So this was an expansionary policy which China always wanted to adopt. However, in the year 1959, they have captured Tibet illegally. Now, moving forward with the specific policies which have been adopted into string of pearls, it says that it want to build the strategic ports around the corner of the Indian Ocean region. We know that Indian Ocean dipole or Indian Ocean region is one of the bone of contention between the whole world these days. Everyone want to capture and establish power in the Indian Ocean region, and there are two main contenders and two well developed economies of Asian nations, that is India and China, which are claiming its different claims on Indian Ocean region. When I talk about encircling the India, it is designing different kind of strategic ports, which includes the Hambantota port, then we have Sitwe port, then we have the Gwadar port. So this is an encircling policy which has been adopted by the Chinese so that it can counter India for the future wars that may happen. Because the future war, if we can look about 10 to 20 years, if it may happen, it will be in the seas also, and that too because of the Indian Ocean region. Now, talking about the next segment of the topic, that is how India is ready to counter it, as India should have its own policies also. Well, India came up with a policy of diamond of necklaces, where India is countering the different ports which have been made by the Chinese government and which has been illegally being captured or have been taken on lease for the infinite period. For example, Hambantota port has been taken for 90 years, and that was mainly developed for the purpose of commercial activities, but now we see that it is mainly being utilized for the military purposes. So what India has done, India has also collaborated with the different nations in the Indian Ocean region. For example, in the Reunion Island, we have got the territory there to establish our own base. Then we are also working with the countries like Sudan to develop our own bases. Then Assumption Island, we have already made, that will be having the Air Force base and the naval dockyard. So these are the major segments, these are the major areas and progressive areas where India is working its level best to counter the Chinese policies of string of pearls. Now, I would like to include the role of the more countries in Indian Ocean region and the role of superpower called USA. USA is very keen to counter the China in the Indian Ocean region, because USA is seeing China as one of the major superpower and the global threat to themselves. So it is siding by India for the protection of Indian Ocean region. While they have their own interest also, but India is also looking its own interest to secure the Indian Ocean region. India is also collaborating with the countries like Sri Lanka. We have recently given the $5 million line of credit for the purpose of getting the easy access through Sri Lanka to the Indian Ocean region. Plus Andaman and Nicobar plays a very important role because it provides the gateway of the Malacca Strait, where we can closely watch the ships and submarines which are coming from the Chinese side. And I believe that in the future war, the China can India can take the advantage of the Malacca Strait, where it can block it for the purpose of entering the Chinese navy into Indian waters or the Indian Ocean region, which is on Indian side. Plus, India is also working with the other countries, which includes Mauritius, Maldives, for the purpose of collaboration, because these small countries cannot give their territories on very easy lease to the Chinese government. So India is also trying to hold, and India wants to take the small territories by giving them soft loans, by pursuing them there through soft power. So I believe that by these policies, we can counter China, the specific policy called string of pearls, and we have been also initiated the diamond of necklace policy. So that's it. Thank you.